Hello everyone, this is Agent Matt and welcome back to the agency's YouTube series. Today I am explaining my live trading session using the new CodeFibo application software. Now the link to sign up for CodeFibo is in the description below. At any point in this video, if you feel like you should sign up for this software, I recommend that you do. It's very easy. You simply put your name and your email address, apply now, and it uses a very good Fibonacci trading strategy that generates a lot of steady, it's a little slow, but a lot of steady winning profitable trades. I don't get that many trades every day, but the majority of them are winning. So I'm just going to go over to my CodeFibo dashboard. Now I have two accounts with CodeFibo, one with Porter Finance that I'm using for auto trading. So any of the auto trading videos, the links for those videos are in the description below, where I made profits with auto traders. That is on a different account than this account, which is my Vision binary account, and I use this account mostly for manual trading. I like having those two accounts so that way I can show you guys what I get when I manually trade versus what I get when I use the auto trader. So now I have upwards of over, I'm just going to round about to $900 in my account. I deposited the minimum, which was $500 about 2 weeks ago when this software first started. Now I don't manually trade every day. I've actually only done it probably 4 days out of those 2 weeks. But as you can tell, I've made upwards of 80% return on my investment. So I'm very excited about that. So I don't use this auto trade button here, but I do use these manual trading signals, and I don't necessarily pay attention to the time for this strategy. Now to help me out with this strategy, I do use tradingview.com. I put the link also in the description below, so that way you guys can just click on it and it'll give you a quick link to the site. Now the site is very nice, it's very well developed. And it has just a good visual appeal, and I use it a lot when I'm trading manually. Now I am using a special indicator, and that is another thing I like about TradingView is they offer everyone special indicators. So to get this indicator, you go up here and type in Fibonacci, and it is this one with the ratios. So I just simply clicked on that and added it, and it added to here. I didn't even adjust the settings at all. So that is all I'm using right now for this video. Now, in combination with CodeFibo, which gets upwards of 80 to 84% in the money I've seen with the auto trader and the manual signals they provide, this guaranteer strategy that I'm just going to name it for now because it guarantees higher results. I've seen upwards of 92 or so percent when I combine CodeFibo and this indicator that is free on tradingview.com. Now the way this indicator works is it's a Fibonacci sort of Bollinger Band thing. So the Fibonacci is in the form of Bollinger Bands, which is very cool. And I take the trades that CodeFibo provides. So for example, say right when this was occurring, CodeFibo would have put a trade out there that would have said something like put for the NZD USD, and I would have gone over here and verified it. Now, more times than not, it'll never ever reach this line up here. But if it's above this line, I like it to almost touch this line right here. Then I will take that put trade, and it would have been a winning one. The same goes here. If CodeFibo would have said, make a call trade, and it dips past this second line here, I would have taken that call trade, and it would have been another winner. And here is another example. It's a little bit delayed. Now, for the most part, I try to make between 5 and 10 minute trades, and it doesn't necessarily matter when this timer on CodeFibo says for time. I don't really look at that. I just look at the signals that they provide. Now, you can use this indicator on tradingview.com to just trade on your own, and it actually is very profitable. But the combination of CodeFibo, which you need to use the link below to sign up, and this indicator, your results will just be absolutely amazing, and that's what I've seen. So now if we go look at my Vision binary account, these are the last 5 trades that I have made, and as you can see, my account is actually $892.75. But these 5 trades that I made 100% of the money. Now that is not the grand scale of things, like I said. I calculated that was about 92%, and I use this very strictly. If it doesn't exactly reach that second Bollinger Band CodeFibo, which is really cool, so it's like a Fibonacci level but also a Bollinger Band. If it doesn't reach this one up here, I won't take the trade. So sometimes you make only 5 trades a day, and that's all I made today. I traded, as you can see, for 15 hours. Now it wasn't like intense trading for 15 hours. I come back plants. I missed a couple trades, but that's okay. I had 5 winning trades, and on this alone, I won upwards of $150 in one day of trading. That's pretty easy. So these I caught a little later than usual because I was out and about and doing things, but for the most part I would have put a 10-minute trade if I caught it as soon as CodeFibo put out that trading. So all these were 5-minute trades here, and they were all $50, so I returned somewhere around $32.25. But it was from 3 GMT, which is very early, all the way to 18 GMT. So that's kind of a long day if you think about it. But as you can see here, I took like a 7-hour break between my first and second trade. I actually made a trade on Apple because that was when the US market first opened. So now before I go, I'm going to explain this strategy one last time, so I recommend you pay close attention so that way hopefully you can see results like mine, 5 out of 5, 100% in the money, simple $150 day after day. You can look upwards, $1,000 a week possibly if you trade this very actively. So first I go to CodeFibo and get the signal. Like I said, this time, for the most part, I do not look at except how close that signal was. Like if it was just given by refreshing the page or something, then I would go and take, upwards of 10-minute trades. But for the most part, I use 5. So then I go look at the currency pair, and we'll just, for this hypothetical example, say it was right here. This would have been a very good put trade because it went up and almost touched this second line. Now it doesn't have to break it, it just has to touch it or almost touch it, and that is good enough for me. So the double verification of a put that CodeFibo would have given, and this also put Fibonacci Bollinger Band indicator thing going on here would have signaled that 5 to 10 minute trade, boom, and you could have gotten, if you got in at the very good strike rate or even down here at the close of this candle, you would have won both the 5 and 10 minute trade. It's very simple, but this indicator is very powerful on TradingView, and Fibonacci is an extremely powerful signal provider and also auto trading. So I recommend you use the link below to sign up for CodeFibo so that way you can start making a lot of money manually and also auto trading. Now that really concludes this video for today. If you have not done so already, hit the subscribe button above my box here. I will be posting some more live trading videos either later this week or next week, so please stay tuned. I also have that secret offer coming up on Friday or Monday of next week, so I recommend you pay close attention because the offer, like I said, I would drop hints, may have something to do with trading with me live. And I know a lot of you guys would like that a lot, so please stay tuned. But that concludes this video for today. Thanks for watching. Agent Matt is signing off.